So I'm using a white Teflon here, and it's quite thin. That's what I have now. And what I want to tell you is, you see the thread is going with the clock. You can see it starts from here, going with the clock. The Teflon must go with the clock. Okay, so if I will let it release it, okay, and I will hold it with 2 fingers, what I'm going to do, I'll show you. You start actually 2 teeth. You actually leave a little bit of the thread in the beginning empty, and you move with the thread. And please do it a little bit tight, at least 5 times. 3, 4, and 5. And that's enough. Okay. So you can see that here our Teflon with a thread, the direction of a thread, and I'm going to put it in. If you're going to put it against the thread, it will get out and it won't seal anything, and you're running to a risk it's going to be a water leak. So you can see the Teflon is covered here with a thread. And now what I want to do, I want to really let it go inside. Remember, as far as you go a little bit more inside, it's going to be more tougher to went inside. Okay, so I managed to do it like that with my hand. Now I'm going to use a tool to put it in. So I'm going to use this key, a wrench. Okay, and I'm going to actually kind of a little bit tighten it. I think that's the last. Unfortunately, I'm using this tool because I don't have other tools. So what I did, I actually connect this pipe here just to test if everything working properly. So I put here a kind of a tissue just to see if there is a leak here. We should not have any leak here. That's very important. So this pipe is actually can move, you can see. Okay, so we just put temporary here just to make sure there is no leak of water here. I don't see any leak. As you can see, water are actually leaking toward this container down, because the air condition now it's working. You see from here, you can see what's happening here. You can see how the water is leaking, but there is no leak. So before we reconstruction, we really have to verify that everything works properly. Otherwise, you will have to destroy everything, because I'm going to glue it with cement